Lamentation 3, 22-23. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a latte makeup look for you guys. This has been a trend that was going on. I know I might be late to the party, but let's just get straight into this look. So first of all, you guys know your skin needs to be looking very moisturized. So I did go ahead with my serum, and now I'm going ahead with my Revolution moisturizer, and I go ahead and apply this onto my skin. Then I'm going to go ahead with my Fit Me Maybelline primer to make sure my face is ready to receive every product that I will be putting onto my skin. As you guys can see, my skin looks sweet. I look so hydrated, guys. So I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and now I'll be applying my concealer on my eyelid, as I am gonna start with my eyes for this look. So I did go ahead and put my e.l.f. concealer first, and then I went ahead to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. So once I finished doing this, I make sure I spread this out properly on my eyelid, and then I go ahead and also use a setting powder just to set that concealer. Then I'll be using the Fiery palette from Beauty Bay, and I would also be using the Matte palette from Beauty Bay. First of all, I'm going to go in with my transitioning color. This is like an orange shade. It's like a light orange shade. I'm going to use this as my transitioning, and then I'll be using like a dark orange shade just to add that on top of that light orange, just to give me some nice cool tone. And then I will go in with like this, like, I don't know if it's like brown, I don't know what it is, but yeah. So once I finished with all my transitioning color, I went in with like a cream. I don't know if it's like a cream shade, but yeah, I go in with that light shade in the center of my eyes, and then I'll be mixing these two dark browns together just to, you know, apply that on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm just blending this in. As you guys can see, the colors are so beautiful, but I make sure I went ahead and add like a dark brown, as this is a latte makeup look. I wanted to have like that smoky eyes. I don't know if that makes sense, but I kind of just worked with it, and guys, it looks so cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the base. As you guys can see, I'm using my Maybelline concealer just to color correct. Then I go ahead and use the Halo Glow from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I usually like to do this process now where I use the Halo Glow under my foundation, just so that it gives me that glow, so my foundation don't look matte, just so that I can have like a very hydrated look. So now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I go ahead and apply that. Guys, I love this foundation. As you guys can see, this foundation just makes your skin looks flawless. Then I went ahead and used the Born This Way concealer. Guys, I love this concealer. I just used the concealer to highlight in all the places that I want to highlight. And this is in the shade Maple that I'm using. And then I went ahead and also used the Halo Glow. This is in the shade 8. And I'm just using that to obviously contour my face in all the areas that I would usually contour. And then I added the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour as well. And I just go ahead and apply that. I'll be using the Revolution setting spray just to, you know, spray my face before I start to blend out the concealer, because I did leave the concealer to sit on my face for a bit so that you can actually see the coverage. As you guys can see, oh my god, yeah, the coverage is just beautiful. I love this concealer. Then I go ahead with my beauty blender just to make sure I blend everything in properly so that everything looks seamless, everything looks flawless, and everything looks blended. Okay. Then I went ahead with the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer again, but this is in the shade 10. I really love to use this concealer to highlight my face because I do love a bright under eye. So I did go ahead and apply that, and now I'm just, you know, contouring my nose. Then I go in with the airbrushed Charlotte Tilbury press powder. First I use this under my eyes before I set my face. Guys, that step is so important. Like back in the days, we used to just, you know, go ahead and use the setting powder, but nowadays it's always good to, you know, set your face first with a pressed powder before you go ahead and actually use the setting powder. So I did go ahead and use the Huda Beauty setting powder, the famous Huda Beauty setting powder, to set my face. And now I'll be using the LYS bronzer. This is the powder bronzer, and I'm placing that in everywhere, well, everywhere that I used a cream bronzer. And then I go ahead and also set my nose, and I'll be using the MAC powder, like the finishing powder, just to lock everything in, guys. Ah, guys, look at how seamless and flawless and airbrush I look. Then I went in with the fixing spray from Revolution just to set my face again. Like, guys, if you like buff your face with setting spray, like, it's just very important, yeah, to set your face. Even if you do it in between, just do it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my blusher. This is the Trigwell blusher. They were doing sales, and I got these 3 for £16. Usually on a normal day it's 30, but I got it for 16. Yeah. And I did use the sunset one, the sunset shade. And guys, when I tell you, the blushes is so pigmented, like, it's just amazing. And now I'm just gonna go ahead to do my lips. I'm using the Colourpop BFF4 lip liner. Guys, I've had this lip liner for maybe coming up to 2 years, but it's my fave. I love it. As this is a latte makeup look, I wanted to go for, like, you know, something brown lip, you know, like a brown lip shade. And yeah, it was given until I went and add gloss. It just wasn't working. I went ahead and add the gloss and it wasn't giving, as you guys can see. So I went back to put the lipstick and just leave it matte. I feel like matte lips just goes well with this makeup, because I know gloss is so tempting, guys. I feel like lip gloss is just everything, but with some looks, yeah, just give it a rest, okay? So I went back and did my matte look. I did my lower lashes and I set my face one more time. But yeah, guys, I'm so happy I got to do this look for you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Let me know if I killed it. It's given melanin, and I love it. It's given black girl makeup. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to comment down below, like, turn on that notification bell to get notified whenever I do post a video, and also hit that subscribe button. Bye.